We are Track Record.
We are never finished.
Whoa, wait a minute. Just hold your horses before we start this video. Me and Kevin just want to remind you that we are... Come on, Kevin.
Oh, sorry. I don't know. I didn't know I was supposed to come in.
We just wanted to remind you that our 10K meetup is coming up on December 8th. It's going to be at the Best Buy parking lot in Northridge.
Download the Octane app and RSVP to our event. It'll be right there on the map. And if you guys don't know, Octane is an app that allows you to see any local car meets in your area or in the whole US for that matter. Definitely recommend you check it out. And again, RSVP through the app to our event. So anyways, enjoy the video. Morning, guys. It is the morning. And I sound like this because that's how I feel. Went to bed too late last night and trying to get up early for work is a difficult thing. But I'm gonna change my tone so I can sound a little bit more awake for you guys. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Let me show you something before I start today's video. Check this out. If you guys didn't see our video on Monday, we released our official Never Finished shirt. Check this out. We got the logo on the front and boom, we got the full wide body Never Finished design on the back. There's a full back design. So I'm actually gonna put this on because I want to wear this one to work. I just wanted to show you guys, so I put this shirt on. Hold on one second. That's better. So if you guys want this shirt, check out the link in the description. We are actually pre-ordering this shirt. It's available for pre-order. So the pre-order actually ends on Sunday. So it's Friday now. So you only have 2 more days to pre-order this shirt. So definitely get it while you can. And the full launch, which will have a hat, poster, all this other stuff, will be coming later on in December. And so, but if you want the shirt early, pre-order it now and we will get that out to you. So, I'm tired, but you know what? It's Friday. It's Friday, and it's a good thing when it's Friday. So, I gotta go to work, and then after I go to work and get all through that, then we'll actually get into the video. Some of you guys noticed that I have 53,000 miles on this car, which is a lot. It sounds like a lot because it is a lot. And the reason that I have 53,000 miles on this car is because I used to daily it to work. There was a point in which I drove like 70 miles each way every day, 5 days a week. And I stopped doing that. I got a car to actually daily to work and not have to drive this car anymore. So I don't usually drive this car to work, but today I was feeling a little frisky, feeling a little crazy. So, and you know what? It's Friday, so Friday fun day. So I'm gonna drive this to work. And actually, because of the holidays, Thanksgiving, there's not gonna be any traffic. Because traffic sucks in this car, and any stick. I mean, you guys would know if you guys drive in traffic and drive a stick. So I just wanted to get away from that, stop doing that. So since making the switch, it's been so much nicer, and I feel like I appreciate this car so much more. Because I think when you drive a car like this that much and you try to put so much love and care into it, but then you beat it on a daily basis, it gets tough to like really care about it, you know, because it gets frustrating. You get frustrated with the car. So today's video, I wanted to talk to you about the Pro Tune. Now, it's been like a year and a half since I've had my car Pro Tuned at Yimmy Sport Tuning in Santa Clarita. You know, you guys are wondering how the Pro Tune has been holding up. Like, have I had any issues with the car? I mean, I've had the car since late 2017. Or no, sorry, not late, wow. Late 2016. And I just wanted to talk about some of the issues, whether they're related to the Pro Tune or not. Well, I'll get into those, but I gotta go to work first and just crank out today. It's gonna be a long day. But, so it is gonna be very dark by the time I see you again. So I'll see you guys in a little bit, and then we'll continue on with this video. but I made it to work. I just love listening to the exhaust coming down this garage every time I drive it. On the bottom floor here. Looks so good. Yeah, check this out. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I got a rock chip on my emblem. It's cracked all the way through. Sucks, so I have to get a new one. I'll probably get a new one when I get a new bumper. Hopefully that'll be sooner than later. Alright, I gotta go to work. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Welcome back, guys, or I'm back. So I just got home from work. It is like 8:30, almost 9 o'clock. I don't even know what time it is. It's 8:45. So kind of a long day. The problems that I've been having with my car since the Pro Tune. Now, there's a couple things that I've noticed with my car, and like I said, I got 53,000 miles on my car. So I'm actually doing extremely well as far as how the car is holding up. There are a couple things that I'm a little, I'm like, what is that? I don't know what it is exactly, so I want to look into that. I'm not going to be looking into that today in this video, but I just want to let you guys know, because you guys have been asking if you guys have this car or know about these things a little bit better, what you may think these things may be. So let me know. The first thing, which I know is definitely not related to the Pro Tune, is in relation to the steering column. Now, it hasn't been an issue since I got the car, but you hear that? That is present pretty much just when I'm at idle or when I'm sitting still. And I know the power steering isn't on right now, but I've looked at videos and a lot of people have the same exact issue, and I haven't been able to figure out what it is. I did see in one car they had like a bolt that was holding the steering, the two pieces of the steering column together, where it kind of bends a little bit. All they did was tighten that bolt, so maybe that's what I have to do, is just get in there and look at it. So that's one thing. The other thing is, and I don't think I'll be able to recreate it here, but this side, and I'm gonna have to take this wheel off and get into, basically when I go over bumps on this side, and it might be the coilovers, like I said, I'm gonna have to get in there and just start shaking stuff around. There's a little bit of a knock here when I go over bumps on this side specifically. I don't know exactly what that is either, but that's something, again, doesn't have anything to do with the Pro Tune, but it's just another problem that I've had. Now, the other issue that I've had with this car, which is probably the most worrying issue, is this has actually been happening, I think it's always been after the Pro Tune, but it seems like it's getting worse. And that is when I'm cruising, usually at low speeds, but right when I hit like 2,500 RPM, like right in that range between 2.5 and 3, it's very specific, and I'm just cruising along, it starts to stutter, like it seems like power's cutting out just a little bit. It's just like on and off and on and off. And then when I get out of that range, it's fine, it's totally smooth. The car idles perfectly fine. There's no stuttering in there. That's really it. I mean, that's the only other thing. Hopefully, when I get the car Pro Tuned again, when I get the front mount intercooler and go E85, I'll probably have that looked at and addressed, because I have no idea what that could be, if it's has to do with the TGV or EGR delete, or if it has to do with just because I have higher mileage on the car, and it's just something that is getting old or wearing out. I have no idea. But I mean, other than that, I really haven't had any other issues with this car. So I'm very grateful and very thankful of that. And I think when I got my car pro-tuned, obviously I was really grateful to hit 300 horsepower. But looking back on it, I think it could have been higher. I think when I went to Yimmy, Paul could have easily put me in like the 320. At least that's what I've heard from other people who have gotten pro tunes from other people, from other tune shops. The tune that I was given was more of a conservative, like play it safe, don't blow your motor, don't blow anything. Like, you know, it's still a daily. At that point it was still a daily. So it's like a good amount of power increase, but not something that's going to be, you know, run a risk and be dangerous. So I think that's one of the reasons that I have been totally fine with everything, is I'm not running a super aggressive tune. But all that is to say, like, I haven't really had any problems with this car, which is super awesome. But you know, when I get into bigger numbers and start doing ridiculous things to this car, which I definitely want to do, like I said, the next thing is going to be the E85 and the front mount. Then, you know, obviously there's more risk, and then I have more plans after that with this car. So that's pretty exciting. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions about, you know, the car and anything like that, just let me know and I will get back to you. All right, so I know it was a simple video today, but I just really wanted to get something out there to you guys, since you guys were asking that question. It's something that I wanted to do for a while. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for supporting this channel and me and Jordan and what we're doing, again, with the Never Finished shirt and everything like that. So as always, we are never finished, and we will catch you guys in the next one.